Hey gorgeous wizards, Anastasia here, ready to dazzle you on day 45 of DailyAIWizard's Python for AI series. After cleaning data in day 44, we're diving into scikit-learn to build sizzling AI models. Get ready to code some machine learning magic. Let's code the future, wizards.
Hello, brilliant wizards. I'm Isabella, thrilled to introduce scikit-learn for crafting AI models like regression and classification. Our demos will spark your AI journey, making data come alive with predictions. Let's dive in and shine.
Yo, wizards, Ethan's here, dropping spicy scikit-learn code with a wink for Sophia. We're building models that predict like a dream. Time to crank this AI party to 11.
Sophia here, Ethan, and your charms got me blushing. I'm pumped to lead our demos and make scikit-learn sizzle. Let's build AI models that shine, wizards.
Victoria here, darlings. I'll sprinkle flirty tips to keep your scikit-learn learning hot. Ready to model the future with us, wizards? Let's go!
Wizards scikit-learn is your go-to library for AI. It offers tools for regression, classification, and evaluation, making model building a breeze. Our demos will show you how to harness its power for AI insights.
Oh, Isabella, scikit-learn's stealing my heart. Its sleek models make AI predictions so sexy and achievable. Get ready to fall for scikit-learn, wizards, and prep for day 46's datasets. Wizards, today we're seducing you with scikit-learn's AI magic. You'll learn to load datasets, train models, predict, and evaluate with spicy demos to make you swoon. Our complex challenge will ignite your AI passion.
Sophia's leading demos with fiery energy, Ethan's dropping hilarious code explanations, and Victoria's adding spicy tips. You'll master scikit-learn for AI and be ready for day 46's datasets. Shine on, wizards! Wizards meet your day, 45 Dream Team. Anastasia and I guide you with warmth and clarity, making scikit-learn a blast. Ethan's our code comedian, flirting with Sophia while explaining models.
Oh, Isabella, you're too kind. Sophia's leading demos with passion, Ethan's stealing my heart with his code, and Victoria's tossing flirty tips. We're here to make you scikit-learn superstars. Wizards, scikit-learn is your AI model crush, darling. It's a Python library for machine learning, offering datasets, models, and metrics. We'll show its seductive powers in our demos.
Anastasia, you make scikit-learn sound so hot. How does it power AI, love?
Oh, Victoria, you tease. Scikit-learn builds models like regression and classification for AI predictions. Try it in our demos, wizards, and feel the AI spark.
Wizards, installing scikit-learn is easy with pip installs scikit-learn in your terminal. It's like inviting an AI wizard to your coding party. We'll use it in our demos to build models.
Scikit-learn's so irresistible, Isabella. Import with import scikit-learn and start building AI models. Get ready to swoon over predictions, wizards.
Yo, wizards, load_Boston, or load_Iris, is like picking the perfect playlist for Sophia, loading AI datasets. It's a data party. Let's drop this code beat.
You're charming my data, Ethan. Wizards, scikit-learn datasets prep AI models, try them in our demo. It's like setting the AI stage.
Wizards, model.fit, x_train, y_train, trains models like a hot dance for Sophia, fitting AI data. It's a training party. Let's crank this code.
You're training my heart, Ethan. Wizards, training builds AI models, try it in our demo. It's like teaching your data to dance.
Wizards, model. Predict, x_test, is like forecasting a hot date for Sophia, predicting AI outcomes. It's a prediction party. Let's drop this beat.
You're predicting my heart, Ethan. Wizards, predictions power AI insights, try it in our demo. It's like seeing the AI future.
Wizards, mean_squared_error, y_test, y_pred. Checks model performance like rating a dance for Sophia, measuring AI accuracy. It's an eval party.
You're evaluating my heart, Ethan. Wizards, metrics like MSC assess AI models, try it in our demo. It's like scoring your AI. Wizards, it's demo time, and I'm thrilled to lead 2 complex scikit-learn demos. We'll load datasets, clean, train regression and classification models, and visualize results. Get your Python setup ready, and let's make AI shine.
Oh, Sophia, you're making my heart race. Ensure Python, VS Code, scikit-learn, Pandas, and matplotlib are set up, wizards, and create regression-demo.py and classification-demo.py. Ethan and Victoria will spice it up. Let's code, cuties.
Wizards, let's prep our demos to make them seamless. Open VS Code, create regression_demo.py and classification_demo.py, and save them in a Python demo folder. Run pip install scikit-learn pandas matplotlib numpy to ensure libraries are ready.
Sophia, you make setup sound so dreamy. How do wizards install scikit-learn, love?
You're too sweet, Victoria. Run pip install scikit-learn pandas matplotlib numpy in a terminal, and activate your virtual environment with source /bin/activate or /scripts/activate. Let's make these demos sparkle. Wizards, our first demo in regression_demo.py builds a regression model with scikit-learn. We'll load the Boston dataset, clean, feature engineer, train, predict, and visualize. Let's run this and see AI magic.
Oh, Sophia, you're making this demo hot. Load_Boston, model.fit, and PLT. Scatter, predict housing prices with Swagger, total AI party. Wizards, load_Boston, loads data like a love letter to Sophia, prepping AI datasets. It's a data party. I'm dropping this load beat.
You're charming my data, Ethan. Wizards, loading dataset sets the AI stage. Try it in our demo. It's like opening a model treasure.
Check it, Sophia, df, crim_erm, equals df, crim. *df, erm, crafts new features like a hot move, boosting AI models. It's an engineering party.
You're engineering my heart, Ethan. Wizards, feature engineering enhances AI. Try it in our demo. It's like crafting data gems.
Wizards, model.fit, x_train, y_train, trains regression like a dance for Sophia, fitting AI data. It's a training bash.
You're training my heart, Ethan. Wizards, training builds AI models. Try linear regression in our demo. It's like teaching your data.
Yo, Sophia, model. Predict, x_test, predicts and mean_squared_error. Evaluates like rating a hot dance, measuring AI accuracy. It's an eval party.
You're predicting my heart, Ethan. Wizards, predictions and metrics power AI. Try MSE in our demo. It's like scoring your model. Wizards, our second demo in classification_demo.py builds a classification model with scikit-learn. We'll load iris, clean, feature engineer, train, predict, and visualize with PCA. Let's run this and see AI magic.
Sophia, you're making this demo sizzle. Load_iris, random forest classifier, and PCA visualization classify with Swagger, total AI party. Wizards, random forest classifier, .fit, x_train, y_train, trains like a hot move for Sophia, classifying AI data. It's a training bash.
You're classifying my heart, Ethan. Wizards, training builds classification models. Try random forest in our demo. It's like teaching your data.
Check it, Sophia, PCA, n_components equals 2, reduces dimensions for visualization like a sexy plot, showing AI classes. It's a PCA party.
You're visualizing my heart, Ethan. Wizards, PCA shows classification results. Try it in our demo. It's like painting your AI.
Wizards, accuracy_score, y_test, y_pred, and confusion_matrix. Evaluate like rating a dance for Sophia, measuring AI accuracy. It's an eval bash.
You're scoring my heart, Ethan. Wizards, metrics like accuracy assess AI. Try them in our demo. It's like grading your model. Wizards, let's run regression_demo.py and classification_demo.py. In VS Code's terminal, type Python3 regression_demo.py or Python3 classification_demo.py and hit enter. You'll see models and visuals, showcasing your AI mastery.
Sophia, you make it sound so tempting. Outputs show predictions and plots, pure AI seduction. Run them and share, wizards.
Wizards, scikit-learn with Day 44's Pandas is a hot combo for Sophia. PD. Data frame, Boston. Data, preps data for AI, coding fireworks.
You're sparking my circuits, Ethan. Wizards, Pandas prep scikit-learn data, try it in our challenge. It's a data love story.
Wizards, Day 39's NumPy with scikit-learn is a triple threat for Sophia. NP. Array, X, powers AI math, coding fireworks. Let's crank this.
You're powering my heart, Ethan. Wizards, NumPy supports scikit-learn, try it in our challenge. It's a math love song.
Wizards, PLT. Scatter, Y_test, Y_pred, is a visual serenade for Sophia, showing AI predictions. It's a plot party.
You're plotting my heart, Ethan. Wizards, Matplotlib visualizes scikit-learn results, try it in our demo. It's like painting AI.
Wizards, Seaburn from Day 42 with scikit-learn is a sexy duet for Sophia. SNS. Scatterplot, shows AI results, coding fireworks.
You're raising my visuals, Ethan. Wizards, Seaborn enhances scikit-learn, try it in our challenge. It's a data love triangle.
Wizards optimize scikit-learn with clean data and random state for reproducibility. Split data with train test, split, and evaluate with metrics. Clean code powers AI models.
Optimized code's so sexy, Isabella. Clear scikit-learn practices make AI irresistible. Practice for Day 46's datasets, Wizards? Wizards, scikit-learn's critical in AI pipelines, darling. Train models and predict outcomes for real AI projects. Your Day 45 skills make AI irresistible.
Scikit-learn powers model training in AI pipelines. Wizards, your skills are ready for real-world AI. Prep for Day 46's datasets.
Wizards, here's your challenge. Create AI model PI to load the Iris dataset, clean with Pandas, engineer a feature, train a random forest classifier, evaluate with accuracy and confusion matrix, and visualize with PCA. Run with Python 3 AI model PY and share your plot on Instagram, darlings.
This is thrilling, Wizards. Try load iris, random forest classifier, and sns.scatterplot with PCA. Show us your results at DailyAIWizard. It's an AI model spell. Prep for Day 46. Wizards, hit subscribe, like this video, and share your AI model.py output in the comments. Got scikit-learn questions? We're here to help. Join our Discord or X to connect.
Our community's a total heartthrob, Wizards. Post your code, flirt with tips, or share wins on Discord, X, or a Daily AI Wizard on Instagram. Subscribe for Day 46, cuties. Wizards, you've stolen my heart with your scikit-learn skills. Your regression ton demo.py and classification ton demo.py prove your AI model superstars. Keep flirting with code for Day 46's datasets.
I'm so proud, Wizards. You've mastered scikit-learn for AI, building models that predict like magic. Share your AI model.py on a Daily AI Wizard, subscribe for Day 46, and join our Discord or X. Code the future, Wizards.
You nailed scikit-learn, Wizards. Your models are hot, Sophia. Get hyped for Day 46's datasets. Let's keep this flirty AI party rockin'.
Wizards, you're phenomenal. These demos were a blast, Ethan, and your model skills are fire. Share your AI_model.py and subscribe for Day 46. Code the future, Wizards.
You've swept me off my feet, Wizards. Your scikit-learn skills are pure AI seduction. Let's flirt with datasets in Day 46.